It's your girl Leah back again with another video. In today's video, as you can see from the title, is another wig review Wednesday, and today's wig is a very exciting wig for me to try. I've been much so anticipating trying this wig, and it is the Freetress equal Valentino wig. Now, I bought this wig with my own money because I have been seeing it all over the web. Like, everybody has been raving this wig, and I was like, I need to try it, and it's only $17.16, so it's not like I'm out a lot if it's a terrible wig. I got this wig in the color FFHotChoco, and it kind of looks like this. Of course, you'll see how it looks on my head. It is a 5-inch lace part wig. It says most ideal and flattering look, 5-inch part, flat and laid hand tied lace parting. It says a lot about it, and I'm only reviewing this because I've seen so many people wear it and love it, and I'm like really skeptical at how inexpensive it is. But let's just get into it and see. I like how on here it tells you what FF stands for versus like a PB, because they have a lot of colors on here. They have, of course, the 1B2, 4, and then they have FF cream, FF hot cocoa, FF golden brown, PB 27, and it tells you FF stands for face framing highlight. So the way the, I guess, colors go, it frames your face. And then they have PB, which stands for peekaboo. So I guess the highlights are kind of in a peekaboo, come out of nowhere. Oh wow, I've never watched a review on this. I've only seen like people take pictures on Instagram and post it of this wig, but I had no idea it does not have any lace on here, which is interesting. The only wig company I think I've seen do that is Model, or a wig that I have tried that's done that and had kind of this defined part, and this is the kind of 5-inch part. Very long part. I like the color of it. I mean, that's my hand up under it, but I like how it looks overall. In terms of construction, it has two kind of combs like this in the front. It has one comb in the back, and it has the adjustable straps. Let me go ahead and put the wig on the tightest that it can go, because I do have a small head. I really don't have to cut lace or do anything, so just gonna throw it on. I am so feeling this. So this is how it looks like fresh on. This face frame is giving me life right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some concealer, foundation, some kind of mixture right here just so the part will look even. And I think I kind of want to put some heat right here. To me, it just looks a little too humpy. I don't know, maybe it's just on camera. When I go to my bathroom mirror, it won't look as humpy, but I'm just seeing a little bit of kind of a wig hump right here. So I'm going to just try to put some heat, like maybe like 200 degrees right here, and then kind of lay it down a little bit, put that concealer in there, and I'll be right back to share with you guys kind of my thoughts. So this is how it looks after I've played around with it, and by that I literally mean I put a little bit of foundation concealer in the parting space, as well as I was feeling really self-conscious about the top. Maybe it wasn't as humpy. You guys let me know if you guys see a change down below. It could have been my eyes again playing tricks on me, but I did put a little bit of flat iron heat right here. My braids are the flattest that they probably have ever been under a wig type situation, so I was like, it's not my braids being humpy, or maybe it is me being a crazy person. But I did put a little bit of heat right here, and now I feel a little bit better about how the kind of area up here looks. But I overall like this wig. Now let me get down so you guys can see that 5-inch parting space. That is what it looks like. This is kind of overall the length of this unit. I'd say it's about a good 16 inches. I give it about 16 inches. Let me do kind of a 360 so you guys can kind of see how it looks in the back, how it looks on the sides, and all of that. And overall the color, of course, you guys can kind of see what it's giving you in terms of this FF hot chocolate hot cocoa. That's what I'm gonna call it, hot cocoa, even though I know it's short for hot chocolate. Hot cocoa unit, and this is what it looks like overall. Really impressed by this unit. I think this is an amazing beginner friendly unit out there. You're not gonna have to do a lot. I know a lot of beginners out there don't know how to cut lace, so if you don't know how to cut lace, you ain't gotta worry about it. The lace already there. The parting space is already tweezed for you. You don't have to tweeze any kind of parting space for it to be $17.16 on wig types where I got it from. That's not bad of a price, and I got it when they were having a little bit of a sale around the, I think I got this unit maybe end of of November, early December. As I'm filming this, is about a month ago that I ordered this unit, but I've been waiting to take some crochet hair out so that I could really try this unit, and I do like it. I think it really does frame the face well. Density is really good on this unit, especially for the price point. I'd say I haven't had shedding or tangles with this unit overall in the wear of it, so as I'm running my fingers through it, you guys can see I'm running my fingers through it with ease. You're seeing hair isn't falling out as I'm doing this, so that's an amazing thing as well. In terms of the cap size on me, I have a small head. I don't feel like it's moving anywhere, so I definitely say it's very small head friendly. And I know a lot of people out there who have larger head sizes that I follow on Instagram who call themselves kind of the large head guru. I've seen them wear this unit and get no issues out of it, just maybe from the pictures. I didn't watch their actual reviews on it because I didn't want my review to be tainted by watching other reviews, but looking at their pictures on it, pictures alone looked amazing and phenomenal on that, and I can't wait to post my picture and kind of slay in my Valentino wig. But overall, you guys be the judge. Let me know how you're feeling this unit down below. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Even if you didn't enjoy it, we want all the love and support on this channel. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at Lavon89. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my content, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. That thing where I go the way you back it up, the way you boss in the place, nah.